Our gas and charcoal Cantonese duck and meats charcoal oven roaster. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have at least 42 inches, and the overall height, 55 inches tall. Features include here will be a temperature adjustment to control the heat. Coming to the front will be a thermometer indicating the heat level. And the bottom here, door can be open and closed to view the heat that's going on within the oven, whether you're using for natural gas or charcoal. Coming to the top with the same feature for viewing the progress of your cooked meats. Included will be this barrel where you could dump and pour in your charcoal, place underneath the oven. That way, if you're using it for the charcoal option to cook your meats, this is what the barrel is used for. Included will be a box of hooks just like this that can be placed along the rim on the top of the oven. So when you hang or cook your meats, they'll be placed here, and the heat from the bottom will accumulate towards the top, cooking your meats. Included would be these two hooks, accessories, that can be used along with the oven for convenience. Ready? Radius of the rim at the top of the oven will be 24 inches. And the height at the very top, we have at least 40 inches. The measurement of the barrel, we have a height of at least 11.5 inches tall. The center, we have at least 6 3/4 inches. Bottom here will be a slot that can be opened and closed to dump out excess charcoal. For more information on this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.